Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving control of the domain. Choose DNS-TXT or HTTP file validation, whichever you can perform now. Next, pick the certificate type, single domain for one host, SAN for multiple names, or wildcard for subdomains, because pricing and coverage differ. Then evaluate certificate authorities for cost, validation time, and warranty. Make sure to check customer support options. Once done, you'll be ready to generate the CSR and proceed to the purchase step with confidence and no delays. You now generate the CSR on your web server or hosting control panel. Include the exact common name and any SAN entries you need, because mismatches cause failures. Once the CSR is ready, submit it to the CA through their order form and choose the validation method you prepared earlier, DNS, email, or HTTP. After submission, complete payment with card or invoice and save receipts and order ID. Make sure to watch the CA's validation, prompts to respond quickly, and avoid order timeouts. Once the CA issues the certificate, download the Surfshark plus intermediate and root bundles, because an incomplete chain causes trust errors. Install the full chain on your server, update the virtual host or load balancer with the key and cert files, then restart your service. Make sure to enable modern TLS versions and disable weak ciphers. After installation, test with SSL checkers and browser inspection. If things go wrong, recheck CSR details, chain order, and permissions. Those three are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.